प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का लक्ष्य यह है कि आपको पता होना चाहिए, देश को पता होना चाहिए, देश के युवाओं को पता होना चाहिए कि जो आपका वोट है उसे हम पवित्र मानते हैं, होली मानते हैं, उसे चोरी किया जा रहा है। कौन सी फोर्सेस हैं आप जानते हैं, कैसे हो रहा है हमने आपको अभी दिखाया। परसेंट प्रूफ है, इनका डेटा है, 5 तरीके हैं, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट। और ये सिर्फ एक कंस्टिट्यूएंसी में नहीं हुआ है, ये मल्टीपल कंस्टिट्यूएंसीज में किया गया है। तो हम सिर्फ एक बात कह रहे हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन को बहाने नहीं बनाने चाहिए। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटर लिस्ट हमारे हवाले कर देनी चाहिए। सीसीटीवी फुटेज हमें दे देना चाहिए। और मैं सिर्फ राहुल गांधी नहीं बोल रहा हूं, मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी का नेता हूं, और जो मैं बोल रहा हूं वो सारे के सारे ऑपोजिशन लीडर्स ने भी बोला है। हिंदुस्तान में 60% से ज्यादा वोट ऑपोजिशन का है। They don't attack me. They're very scared to attack me. They've not taken any action against me because they know that I'm talking the truth here. तो वो बोलते हैं, right? But मेरे ऊपर अटैक नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि अगर मेरे ऊपर अटैक करते there'd be criminal procedure, everything on me. None of that is happening because they know it's true. They know this is bulletproof. They know. I'm a politician. Okay? What I say to the people is my word. Right? I'm saying it publicly to everybody. Take it as an oath. This is their data, and we are displaying their data. This is not our data. This is Election Commission data. It's interestingly, they haven't denied the information. They haven't said what the voter lists that Rahul Gandhi is talking about are wrong. They're saying, will you do it under oath? Why don't you say they're wrong? Because you know the truth. And you know that we know that you've done this across the country.
Whenever we ask the Election Commission response regarding the concerns you have raised about voters list earlier also, they used to say that none of the political parties, not just Congress, no political parties ever complained or appealed against that inclusion or deletion of...
That's an absolute lie. We wrote a letter, our party wrote a letter before the Maharashtra elections complaining about issues in Maharashtra voter lists. But this is just absolute lie. If this is true, now the Election Commission is supposed to make sure that elections take place. We have shown, the team has shown without any doubt that they have not done their job in one seat in Karnataka. And the people of that Lok Sabha have had their elections stolen. We believe that this has happened in many seats. Now, the Election Commission has to give us that information, give the people of India that information. Because if they don't, there are going to be consequences. There are going to be consequences for every single polling officer who's doing this. Doesn't matter how senior you are, how junior you are. One day, the opposition is going to come to power, and then you see what we do to you. Because you are attacking the foundation of what our freedom fathers built. And we're not going to allow you to attack the foundation of what they built, no matter who you are. Going to Bangalore, there we are going to take a march there. Congress president is going, and we are going to raise this issue. Of course, there is another drama now unfolding in Bihar. So this idea that democracy has been destroyed in India is gaining ground. It's, in my opinion, true.